Portugal. I want to teach how to make hand sanitizer. But before we go into that, have you ever considered asking yourself the following questions? 1. What can really protect me from having coronavirus? 2. Is it hand sanitizer? And how do I have to use hand sanitizer to protect myself? 3. Is it by washing your hands frequently? And how many times do I have to wash my hands to protect myself from having coronavirus? We keep tripping, buying, going to shops, pharmacies. We are just buying hand sanitizers, buying a whole amount of it without even asking yourself, this hand sanitizer that I am actually buying, can it protect me from having coronavirus? Did they use the right amount of ingredients to produce it? Or it's been diluted for money, for more gain, for business? Let's think about it. Coronavirus is a malicious and deadly disease. We have to be extra careful the way we go about it, or you take your life for granted. The best way to protect yourself from having coronavirus is by always washing your hands. And how do you have to wash your hands? First of all, use a flow tap. You wet your hands, you apply soap, then you scrub your hands for like 20 to 30 minutes before you rinse it. When using hand sanitizer, you have to apply your hand sanitizer every 20 minutes. When going to do something, you apply it and you go to do whatever you want to do. Afterwards, you apply it again. They have even increased the price in such a way you and I cannot even afford to buy it. And that is why today's video, I want to teach you how to make your own hand sanitizer and also use it for small business. You'll be safe of what you're using. Before we start, I would like to introduce the ingredients I will be needing for hand sanitizer. This is isopropyl alcohol. Any isopropyl alcohol that you are picking, you should make sure that it contains 90% or more, because alcohol is the most important thing that kills germs. You can actually get it at the pharmacy. It does a whole lot of work. You can use it when you have a sore, when you have a burn, when you have a cut. You can as well use it after shave. This is aloe vera gel. When you are getting aloe vera gel, make sure you get 100% gel. Aloe vera gives healthy skin, reduces wrinkles. Aloe vera is a very good plant. It does a whole lot. It's a healthy plant. Essential oil does a whole lot. Add essential to give you a pleasant smell. When putting, you have to put very small. It's 2 bowls. I will use this to take the measurements and I will mix it in here. So now I'm going to start with the alcohol. Sometimes when people do say alcohol, some people use whiskey too. Whiskey has 40%, but you have to go for pure alcohol. First of all, I'll be opening isopropyl alcohol. So I'm going to use this cup to measure it. This cup, the full of this cup contains 250 ml. One. The more alcohol you add, the more it's more effective. So alcohol does the whole work. Okay. So I'm going to use 3 cups. And this is the gel. So the gel, I'm going to put 100 ml. Then I'll add the essential, very small, splash it into it. That's all. More you put aloe vera gel, more your hand sanitizer is more thick. But it's always better the alcohol should be bigger than. When you feel maybe it's too liquid, you can still add. So I have measured 100. So let me add more 50. Yeah, this is 50. Alcohol kills 99.9 germs, while the aloe vera keeps the alcohol from getting dry quickly. It's ready. So I'm just going to pour it into this empty. And this is it. I don't know if you can see. This is it. Yeah. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share to save a soul. See you on my next video. Bye.